Deck the halls with boughs of holly.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Alicia, aka Ali, and today I'll be filming a what I got for my birthday, video, because my birthday was the 20th of December, and I had some stuff that I got. Oh, and I wanted to add in some clips of when I went to the mall to get my stuff for my birthday. So I'll be adding in those clips right now. It's so fluffy, I'm gonna die. Maralani, eh? I like these bags though. I think I get one of these. One of these I want to get. Yeah. So the first thing I got was this Fashion Nova dress. I'll put it up on the screen. I always used to be seeing this dress, maybe 2 years now. I wanted this dress, and I always used to be seeing it all over Instagram, all over on TikTok, and I still see it. I was like, I look for my birthday, I go and buy this dress. So when I check how much it is to bring it, there's the dress. I'll show everybody know this dress. I'll put a picture up on the screen. Yeah, so I always wanted this dress. And to bring this dress here in Trinidad, it was like $400. But I wanted it and it's my birthday, so I was like, I'm gonna buy it. I have not worn it yet, but yeah, I might pop a video of me in it. But I love it. I tried it on. I love it. It's different from what I normally does wear because it's long, but I love it. Next thing I ordered was this this dress. I ordered it from CMA. Apparel, CMA, something like that. This dress, and I see the tag saying Shein. You can get this dress on Shein, or you can get it from CMA Apparel if you're in Trinidad. But yeah, this is the dress. I'll put a picture up on the screen of how I look in the dress and a model or whoever. I also got 2 bathing suits, but I have to send these back. I have to send this one back because this one don't fit. This bathing suit. I'll put a picture up on the screen. Daisy bottoms, and it can't fit me at all. I honestly was shocked that this could fit me, but it can't because I get too thick. But yeah, that was the first bathing suit, and this is the other bathing suit I got. I'll leave the name. I can't remember the name of where I get this. I'll leave the name on the screen. But this one is a whole piece. When it's my birthday, I just buy anything I want or what I have been wanting. So yeah. So this is the next outfit I get. So this next outfit is from Empress Essentials. I'll put a picture of it on the screen. This is also another outfit that did not fit me and I'm trying to sell it. I pay $250, $285 for this outfit and it did not fit. I don't know why I was thinking. I kind of underestimated my size. It's like again like thicker or fatter and I kind of noticing. But this did not fit me at all. Like like anything like underneath my bottom. I think I'll try it on and show all you how, but I'm trying to sell it, so I'm not gonna try back on. But that didn't fit me, so that was another fail. And I paid $285 for that. The bathing suit was $150 each, and the red dress was $150. So yeah. Next thing, I went to Bath and Body Works, and in Westmore, I went to Bath and Body Works, and I got this white band vanilla bean candle, and yeah, I done burning it. I done burning it already. This just smells so good, and it's like I don't know why it's done. I paid $250 for this candle. I don't know if it's like I love candles, but I feel like that is a lot for a candle. But I wanted it, and it was my birthday, so I just buy the candle. So this was $250. That a sale. I don't know if it's still going on, but it's like $3.95 for two. But yeah, this candle smell really good. Done reach like done almost done already. But it was so worth it, guys. My room smelling so nice. So yeah. The next place I went to was Victoria's Secret. And in Victoria's Secret I got three body sprays. Two is the shimmer fragrance mist. One is coconut passion shimmer. Does this smell really good? And one is beer vanilla shimmer. I kind of regret taking the shimmers because I don't like how they spray out. I prefer like it spritz all over, but this is like kind of like spray one place and make you kind of soak. But I like the shimmers, the glitter on your skin afterwards. So yeah, so I like the scent of these. And Rush was the next scent I got, so really like this scent also. And I think it was three for $2.95, I believe. Yeah, 3 for $2.95. So yeah, in the vlog portion I was in Wonderful World. I was in Victoria's Secret looking at this bag. This bag was $600 and something. I got this bag also for my birthday. Yeah, this is the bag I got. It's really nice. It has some chains, some cool chains on it. This maybe the best gift ever. Yeah. Honestly, I love it so much. So this bag, love this bag. Yes. So my camera was overheating, so I had to switch around on my phone. Anyway, so my next gift I got was this Be Delicious Dkny perfume from my bestest friend, one of my best friends, Vanessa. She gave me this perfume. Love it so much. Yeah, this is what it looked like. This perfume. And yeah, I was really happy when I see this, because I talk about this perfume and she went and get it for me, so I'm really happy about that. And the other thing I bought myself was some Brazilian hair. I have it on on my birthday. I wear the hair, but the quality of hair was very bad. That's why I used to stick to your supplier. But my supplier at the time did not have any long hair, and I went and buy it from somewhere else, and the hair was not good quality, and the length that it should have been was not the length it was supposed to be, because I bought hair from someone else. It was 22 inches, and I was sent a picture or video here where you could see the length and the thickness, and that was 22 inches, and this is 26, 24 and 22 inches in my hair, and it was shorter than the other supplier. So I was like, it was the worst. The next day after my birthday I took it out, so that's why my hair natural right now. And yeah, so that was a huge fail. Wait, what else I got? Oh, I got myself a cake. I bought myself a cake. I went to set a video here, a picture of the cake. And my friend who bought me this perfume, she and my other co-workers from work put together and they made a cake for me. I'll set a picture of the cake. And yeah, that's what I got for my birthday. And yeah, so that is the conclusion of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Oh wait, I forgot. I end up getting 2 tattoos also. This is one of them. Well, I'll insert pictures of them because right now they're healing and they're not looking so hot. So I'll insert 2 pictures of the tattoos I took. I took 2 tattoos at once and they came up to $1,200. So yeah. Oh, and the Brazilian weave was $1,600. And my next video, hopefully it will be my other present I wanted to give myself was nipple piercings, and I will be doing that soon and I will vlog it for all you. So yeah, that concludes all the stuff I got for my birthday. Let me know in the comments what other kind of videos you want to see. Please like, comment and subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye guys.